So what do you say? We're doing this together?
From home interface. Systems are now fully operational.
To serve Hong Kong and to continue the mission of the BNP in hopes of inspiring.
This one's good.
Cutting!
Jack! We got Jack!
What?
This one's good.
Cutting!
Jack! We got Jack!
What? Cutting! No! No!
Where'd Jack Kelly go?
Ah!
His friend behind.
Folks, we finally got a headline. Moses crushed this bull's attacks. I feel no future, even at 17. Breaking you back to the land if I ain't got
And now, for the benefit of our judges, we will ask our candidates to do their quarter turns, starting to the right now.
Tonight is a celebration of fellowship, faith, and the beautiful community of Broken history. I am so thankful for this opportunity.
The Inland Empire Center. The South Bay Chapter. Our first runner-up with a total of 94,821 votes, representing the Inland Empire. With a total of 106,000 representing the South Bay chapter, Mr. Jacob Matiaga.
Sorry, I don't have a film.
It's okay.
Congratulations, Jacob!
I'm in the same color, so I'm a part of this now.